guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. For today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, you know our practice here. I will be putting everything that you need to know from prices, product codes, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot, and for pre-orders, kindly check with your CAs or the website. So I'm inviting you all to please watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 5,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. And kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, let us start with the Murakami collection. First, we have the white pieces. We have the Speedy 30. For the price of this one, please stand by. But we have SKU. So this is the drop 3 of the Cherry Collection. Materials monogram canvas in white with cherry print. Cowhide leather trims. It comes with the key clochette padlock and keys. It would come with detachable strap. This collection would be launching May 22nd. Next, we have the very beautiful Alma BB. You know I have a forever crush on this very beautiful bag. Price is 2,550 euros. So this is the interior red. Guys, I'm just a little bit worried with the red interior. I'm afraid with the white canvas, hopefully it would not bleed out just like with the vintage Murakami pieces, the multicolor in white. And then of course we have the pochette Métis East-West. Price of this one is 2,900 euro. Material is monogram canvas in white cherry with cherry print. This is the interior. As you can see, it's also red, so please just be very careful. It comes with vachetta leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap and detachable chain strap. Next on the collection, we have the Capucines Mini. Price of this one is 6,300 euro. We have SKU here. Material is Tyrolean leather. It would come with detachable leather strap, chain strap. I love the red cherries on this one, on this very beautiful Tyrolean leather. It would also come with gold hardware. Next on the collection, we have Capucines Mini. So this one guys is 30,000 euro, and the reason for this is an exotic material or croc leather in white with cherry print, and as we are going to see, the cherry is like with the beadworks or rhinestone. Of course, this would come with cowhide leather trims with detachable leather strap. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Guys, next we have the Capucines Mini Trunk. Price of this one is 48,000 euro. We have SKU here. Guys, kindly take note, this Capucines doesn't come with, so this is just the mini trunk. So this is the interior of the mini trunk. Of course, the material is the monogram canvas in white with monogram detail and cherry design as well. It would come with the cowhide leather trims. Next guys, we have Art of Dining pieces. So it features LV X Murakami Collections Drop 3 Cherry. So guys, we have different SKUs here with different prices. So like for example, the mug is 210 USD. Teacup 2 pieces 545. Teapot, so for price please stand by. Coffee cups 488, and so on. Next guys, we have the very beautiful zippy wallet. Price of this one is €600. We have SKU here. Materials monogram canvas in white cherry print. So again, with the red interior, but this time it is color red. Hopefully, if it's made of leather, it would not bleed out, like for example with the can or fabric interior. So we are going to see the cherry print on the side. Then we have the ivy wallet on chain. Price of this one is €2,000. Monogram canvas in white with cherry print. So this is the interior. Because this one is not leather, guys, please take note, this is made of fabric as well. So the back side, as you're going to see, the LV is upside down. It would come with 2 strap, leather strap, and chain strap. Next, guys, we have the t-shirt. So for the price, please stand by, but please take a screenshot because we have the SKU here. Color is white monogram with cherry print, and we are going to see at the collar part, it comes with the classic Louis Vuitton chain detail for most of the shirts that they have. Hopefully this is a good fabric because I'm really expecting that the price of this one would be almost $1,000. Then guys, let us discuss the classic brown monogram canvas. This one, we have the very beautiful Speedy 20. Price of this one is $2,550. The interior is cherry red, so that is okay because of course the outer part of the back is the classic monogram canvas. I really love the contrast of the brown canvas with the red cherry. Then guys, we have the on-the-go size GM. Price is €2,400. We have SKU here. So same material, classic monogram canvas. So this is the interior. So it also has the cherry design on the interior. What I love about the on-the-go GM, it comes with a fully detachable monogram canvas pochette. Next on the collection, we have the Neverfull size MM. Price of this one is €2,500. So this is the close-up. Of course, it comes with the classic monogram canvas with the cherry design detail. And since this is a classic Neverfull, definitely we could expect that this would come with a fully detachable pochette just like with the on-the-go GM. Next, guys, on the collection, we have the mini square trunk. Price of this one is €9,000. We have SKU here. So this is the interior. So guys, if you have the funds, definitely kindly invest in this very beautiful bag because aside that it is a Louis Vuitton trunk, so it comes with a top handle and a leather strap. So it means you could carry this one as a bag. Then we have Pochette Cosmetique size PM. Price of this one is €810. So it comes with the monogram canvas with cherry print. It would come with cowhide leather trims, gold hardware. The interior is red as we could see. So this is the back side and this is the front side where it comes with the cherry design detail. Then we have passport cover. Price is €450. We have SKU here. Materials monogram canvas with cherry print. So this is the interior, beautiful leather interior. We're going to see the cherry design detail of the entirety of the SLG. Next, we have the, guys, I'm not going to read this one. So the price of this one is €600. We have SKU here. So guys, the material of this one, this is not monogram canvas. It is actually monogram PVC with cherry print. So I would caution you with this one because as you can see, the price is up there, but it is made of PVC, and as we know, PVC are not long lasting compared to monogram canvas. Then guys, this is very beautiful side trunk size MM. Price is €4,100. Monogram canvas with cherry print detail. It comes with cowhide leather trims. It comes with 2 straps. It comes with vachetta leather strap and vachetta top handle as we could see here. And of course, we have the mini bum bag. Price of this one is €2,000. I feel that everyone would be going for the mini bum bag because as you can see, it's very chic and the cherry detail is very minimal just at the front pocket. So the interior is cherry red as well. The strap that it comes with is fully detachable and it comes with a chain strap so you could wear it as a top handle or maybe as a shoulder bag. Then guys, how cute is this one? Nano Alma. So price is €2,000. See, this is very expensive compared to the bum bag. With the bum bag, I feel that you could carry more, but because of the cuteness and the classic design of this one, this costs more for 2,000 euro. Alright, next we have the denim collection. First, we have the Speedy 30. Price of this one is 9,000 euro. The reason why this is very expensive, so the main material is denim, but the trims that it comes with is made of exotic or croc leather trim. So it comes with the croc leather top handle. It would come with croc leather bag tag as well. So it would come with detachable strap. Then we have, guys, the classic pochette accessories. So price of this one is 2,300 euro. We have SKU here. So the outside and the interior of the pochette accessories is made of denim. The outside part comes with the cherry design detail. It comes with 2 straps. So it comes with the vachetta leather strap, and it would come with the gold chain strap. Next, on the denim collection, we have the Neverfull Inside Out BB. Price is 2,950 euros. So this bag, definitely, it's like you are going to purchase a 2-in-1 bag. So you could reverse it. One side is denim, one side is the leather in the color rouge or red. It comes with detachable leather strap, and I love actually the mini pochette that it comes with. Then we have the Keepall size 45. Price of this one is 4,900 euro. We have SKU here. So the material is in denim, so inside, outside, but the outside part would only come with the cherry print design detail. It would come with vachetta leather trims. It would come with the adjustable and detachable shoulder strap. Then we have the pochette cosmetique size GM. Price of this one is 1,950 euro. We have SKU here. So since this is a GM, it would fit most of our makeup essentials. Outside and the inside part is made of denim. Again, the outside part is the one that comes with the cherry design detail. It would come with gold studs as well. And then we have here pochette clay. So this one, guys, get it right away because definitely this is going to sell out really fast. So we have SKU here. Material is denim with the cute design cherry detail on the side. It would come with gold hardware. See, as you can see, so we are going to see faces on the cherry design detail. And then we have the Venice backpack. Price of this one is 3,500 euro. We have SKU here. So the main material is denim inside out. So as you're going to see, this is the interior. So the backpack strap is made of vachetta leather and it is adjustable. So the closure is the classic koala nose closure with gold hardware. Then, guys, this is very beautiful Kuzan size PM. Price is 4,000 euro. We have SKU here. Main material is monogram denim with cherry print on the outside. The interior doesn't come with the cherry design detail. It would come with 2 strap, detachable and adjustable leather strap, and it would come with chunky gold chain strap as well. Next on the collection, so we have the leather pieces. We have Capucin's BB. Price of this one is 6,400 euro. We have SKU here. Material is the Tyrolean leather with cherry detail on the LV logo. And of course, one of the interior pocket is made of denim with the cherry design detail as well. So the Capucin's BB would come with detachable strap for easy wear. Then we have the size MM of the Capucin's in Noir. So this one, very chic, very classic. The only Murakami detail would be the interior, as you can see, inside pocket with the cherry detail that is made of denim, and the chain strap that it comes with. So it comes with cherry, and of course it comes with the Louis Vuitton flower that is fully detachable. Then Twist PM Slim. Price of this one is 4,100 euro. Price of this one is quite affordable, but then this is a slim version of the Twist, so this could be perfect as an evening bag. So material of this one, guys, is epi leather. It will come with cherry design detail, so it would come in the noir colorway. So price of this one, or rather this is a Twist size MM rather, and the price is 4,200 euro. And then of course it would come with detachable leather strap, detachable chain strap. The interior is red as well, and it comes in epi leather. So what do you think of the color combination of the Twist MM Slim? There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!